right, good morning for Monday, December 2nd. Hope everyone had a fantastic Thanksgiving and a great holiday weekend. We are looking at the same market I was looking at on Wednesday to set up, but it didn't set up. It is the stock Salesforce.com, the ticker symbol CRM. If you recall, we were looking to buy this if the market were able to take out this high right up in here where I'm drawing the line. As you can see, though, on Friday, the market sold off right down here into the gray action zone right up in here. All right, right down into the gray action zone. Now, let me take this off. But what I did was I also wanted to draw the Fibonacci retracements from the low of this bar right here, which is the low of the green bars, right? Like out of all these bars that are green, right, the trend is up. That denotes the trend is up starting right here. And this happened to be the low, right, of that. Okay, so we measured from this low here up to this high. And you can see the 38.2% retracement. We're right in here. We're still in that support zone. The 50% retracement of that move is here. That's quite a bit further, right? That's a lot lower here. That's below the gray action zone, so I don't want to be as concerned with that. All I really want to be concerned with here is we are definitely at a support zone that I'm looking to take a position. So again, 38.2 is here. We're holding, even though we dropped through it a little bit. Looks like we're sticking here at the gray action zone. And I'm going to watch this closely. I'm not going to buy it just yet. I want to wait for today. If today can create an inside pattern, right? Again, we all know what an inside pattern is, right? The high is lower than Friday's high, and the low is higher than Friday's low. All right, so we get another inside pattern. So we had an inside pattern here on this bar right here. We were not able to take that out. We made a lower high and a lower low, and this low matched this low pretty close to it, and then we dropped down through it. So I want to see if that's the last movement to the downside right here on Friday. I want to see if today can stabilize. If today can stabilize, then I'm going to look to take a position tomorrow up through the high. So I'm just going to exercise some patience here and wait for today to trade. Okay, again, if the market is unable to break up through Friday's high or down through Friday's low, then tomorrow we'll set up for a buy. All right, let's take a look at the overall market here, the E-mini S&P 500. I mean, look at this. Market's just been moving a lot higher. Again, an all-time new high on Friday the 29th. Hit 1812.5 in the E-mini S&P 500. Today so far, we've taken out Friday's low. But again, you know, historically speaking, December is typically usually a big up month. But boy, last month, November and October, just huge moves, huge moves. Look at from October 9th right here, October 9th up to Friday's high is just a huge advance in the market. And I wouldn't be surprised if we can pull back somewhat. So what I've done here is I've actually I sold some puts in the SSO, okay, SSO, all right, for this Friday expiration, so to own it at $96, the SSO, again, SSO is an index of the S&P 500, it's the ProShares Ultra S&P 500, all right, so I want to stick my foot in the water here at 96, right here, right where this horizontal line is. So what I did was I sold the December 6th put option, okay, the put option, got 50 cents just not too long ago. Sold it for 50 cents. That's $50 per contract, right? Each contract, if your put to stock is 100 shares. So this is where I'm looking to own it, right in here. By the time the market pulls down to that level, unless it happened today, will be between the blue action zone in here. So again, I would not mind owning the SSO index fund here, okay, at $96. So instead of just buying it up in here, I sold the 96 put to own it at 96, right? And I collected 50-cent premium in that immediately. So we'll see if the market can come back down here. But again, expires this Friday. 50 cents for 4 days. So, all right. If you've got any questions, let me know. Have a profitable day. I'll be back with you tomorrow. Bye for